Number 25. To determine if the three side lengths form a triangle, I'm going to take the two smaller side lengths, 5.3 plus 6.7, and find their sum. 5.3 plus 6.7 is 12. I'm going to compare that to the third side, 7.8. Because the sum of the two smaller sides is greater than the third side by itself, these three sides form a triangle. If the two smaller sides added together were less than 7.8, they would not form a triangle. As a separate skill, I want to see what type of triangle they form. In order to figure out what type of triangle they form, I need to look at the Pythagorean theorem and its converse. If a squared plus b squared equals c squared, then I have a right triangle. That's the converse. If a squared plus b squared does not equal c squared, then I don't have a right triangle, which would be the inverse of the converse or the contrapositive. Either way, I'm going to get started with 7.8 squared, so the c value squared. 7.8 squared, the largest value squared, is 60.84. I want to compare that to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, 5.3 squared plus 6.7 squared. 5.3 squared is 28.09, and 6.7 squared is 44.89. If I add those two together, 44.89 plus 28.09, I get 72.98. So I'm comparing 60.84 to 72.98. 60.84 is less than 72.98. Anytime c squared is less than a squared plus b squared, that results in an acute triangle.